We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC J6545 printer, and we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. The reason we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass is we've noticed that whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting some lines and blemishes on our pages, which is going to indicate that there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing I want to do is go and open up the top of the scanner. So you're going to put your hand in this little opening at the front and lift straight up on the scanner. And you're going to notice there's two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed copies for doing your face down copying, and then you have your smaller piece of glass on the left side. And what that's for is whenever you're using this top document feeder to do any kind of your copying or scanning, all that's being done on the small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. So depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring, that's going to show you which piece of glass you need to focus your cleaning on. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip. Other than that, in order to clean it, you're going to need a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth, never directly to the glass in the printer. If you spray the glass cleaner directly on the glass, there's a good chance that it could seep underneath the glass, and that can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the glass cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass in the printer. Once you have your glass cleaner on your cloth, we're just going to go ahead and wipe everything down. Wanted to make sure we remove any kind of fingerprints, dust, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, anything like that. Keep in mind that some things like permanent marker, ink, whiteout can be a little bit more stubborn or require a few more passes and a little bit more elbow grease. We just kind of go over everything until you're happy with the way everything looks. Once the glass looks nice and clean, you don't see anything on it anymore, then I would go ahead and lower this back down, and I would make a couple test copies or test scans. Since I cleaned both pieces of glass, I would check both just to make sure I'm happy with the quality of both of them. That should take care of any kinds of lines or blemishes that you're getting. If you're still getting some slight lines or blemishes, just repeat the cleaning process one more time. There's probably something that's still on that glass that's just a little more stubborn and a little harder to get off, but that should take care of it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with you on any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.